So I've wanted to do this for a long time. I'm traveling alone to Japan, and here's where I'm headed for, the Kansai area of Japan, where you will find the Glico running man, cute adorable deers that bounce back at you with lots of eating. It's like problem. It's my first time traveling alone for the entirety of the trip. It was the beginnings of me mastering the art of being alone. So my flight is leaving in less than 12 hours, and I'm not done with packing yet. So let's get packing now. Let's go. Let's do this. Here's what I'm packing for my trip. Sweater, clothes, bottoms, more sweaters, innerwear, sock, skincare, face wash, body lotion, makeup, brushes, medicines. Hope I don't need this. Hats, I don't know. The small bag. Alright, now for the smaller bag. On-the-go items. In passports, AirPods, sunglasses, a portable charger. Alright, I think I'm done actually. Alright. Oh, hopefully I did not miss any of the essential items. Alright, I'll see you at the airport. Today's flight, I'm taking the Scoot Plus on Scoot. It's TR181, a direct 6 hours flight to Osaka, taking the premium seat of the budget airline. That's my review of Scoot Plus, the seat which I paid more money for, as this is also my very first time taking this version of the budget airline. First thing you notice, there's about 30% more space and legroom compared to the regular seat on the budget airline, and you get water, which is pretty important for the water drinking monster like me. Other than that, there's complimentary Wi-Fi, but for some reason I never got it to work for the entire trip. So there you also get food. I got the beef pepper rice recommended by the crew. The beef was quite tender and there was enough flavoring, which was not bad. It also came with a dessert cheesecake, and it was actually surprisingly better than what I expected. It was quite light and creamy, and I actually finished everything. To explore the bathroom because nature's calling. It was a little small, but overall it's pretty clean. Stomach's full, nature's calling stand, and I spent the rest of my time on the flight. Good night, friends. Sleep time. Hi guys. So right now I'm at Osaka. How do I buy tickets? On the bus.
Or we may have to make a detour.
Yeah.
Got my luggage. Can't figure out how to cross the road. Wow. Headed to my hotel for check-in. Let's see how it goes.
Kansai 33rd floor.
Alright, let's see our room. Hello, so this is my room. Here's my room. Shower. What is this? Oh, fancy toilet. The sink. Table. Table. God, this is great. Oh my god, look at the view. Oh my god. The room is actually smaller than what I thought as compared to what I saw on the website. It's an okay size for a solo traveler though. So, well, okay, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna pack up a little, get change. Maybe I'll not get change. Yeah, let's go hunt for food. I'm so hungry. Potato salad. I'm done with food. I'm just walking around aimlessly. Oh, this is so cute. Everything looks so cute, honestly. Oh my gosh, I want to buy everything. I want to buy all of this. I want to buy all of this. This is a brush set. Do I need a brush set? Absolutely not. Do I want this? Yes. Oh no. Oh my gosh, this is Totoro's shop. Hey guys, this is Totoro's shop. Wow. So cute.
Later that night.
Oh my gosh, my legs feels like it's gonna break right now. Wow, the view is gorgeous. So, I think I'm done for day one of my solo Japan trip. Or I'm gonna wash up now, and yep, that's day one of my Japan solo trip. I'll see you tomorrow. See you.
Solo le